We're live.
What's up, metalheads? Welcome back to match 2 here of Full Metal Trivia DC Edition, part of our DC week. Tonight, as well for the last match, Sharon the Titan Ellison, and my mom's name is Jessica. It is my co-host, our head question writer, Jeremy the Adam Adams. Jeremy, what's your mom's name?
My mom's name is Valerie, but yeah, I don't think there's any Marthas in my family, unfortunately, or fortunately. I'm really excited to be here. I've been really happy that we're doing DC. I actually have always been more a DC guy than a Marvel guy. Like some of the other guys, got my Batman shirt, so I'm all ready to go here.
All right, and also joining us once again, we have our line producer, the Canadian Nightmare Master of Porgs. Mark, you got anything to say?
I'm kind of happy you cut out there, big time, at the end there.
It wouldn't be Full Metal Trivia if things went right for us. Well, let's get into this. We have well, pretty much all returning vets. Every player we have right now is a returning player. None of them have won a match yet, so we're all looking to change that tonight. My left. Cain McMillian. Cain, what's up, man?
Not much. I thought this was a Marvel match, so.
Sorry, guys. My cat just broke a glass. Sorry. Sorry about
I thought you did that on purpose.
Proceed.
Also joining us are, well, aside from Alex, our resident loudmouth, C-Dub, Chris Woodburn.
What's cracking, fellas? DC movies have been calling my name all day.
I'll clean it after.
I'm ready to get it
just
started.
be careful.
All right, right on. Organizing Schmoes Bros, we have the villain, Haven Pendergast. Haven.
What's up? What's up, everybody? My brother, seeing he's in the house, NWO member for life. We're here to kick ass, take names.
Right. Also from Schmoes Bros, so a frequent co-host of mine. So for once, we have Hunter, the Hitman Chambless. Hunter.
Oh wait, wrong superhero. What's up, guys?
Also here, making his Full Metal return. I think he's 0-1 right now, but he's looking to change that. Happy to have him back. JTH. Jay, what's up, man?
Not a whole lot. Happy to be donning the worst movie of the group here. So hopefully I don't have the worst performance too.
What are you wearing? Let me see.
Batman versus
BBS. BBS.
Oh God. Well, hey, it's not Suicide Squad, and that's always a plus.
Yeah, Suicide Squad's definitely the worst.
Also,
don't kill me. I pre-ordered it, so I didn't know how bad the movie was going to be beforehand.
That's fine. Also here, he's an admin here on this team. He's been out for a long time. He really wanted in this match, and we're happy to have him. It's Sharknado himself, Sandy Robinson. Sandy.
Yo, guys, I'm really happy that I was able to make this one. I missed the early one this afternoon, but I'm hoping to have a really good time with this one. I can't wait to hear Jeremy's questions. I've been studying every obscure. I even watched Vendetta today just because I knew that he was going to pull something out of there. So I'm looking forward to these questions. They're going to be rocking. Let's have a good time.
Go team.
Yeah, we ain't seen you in a while, Sandy. We're happy to have you back in the ring.
Hey,
fitting that he's the last one on it because the name begins with a Z. Is the Z-Man, Zaddeus Smith.
What's going on, good people? The Z-Man Zaddeus Smith is back, and I'm here to have a good time, and I want to guarantee everybody watching this absolutely nothing. I please nobody but myself.
We are wearing.
All right, well, since we out of the way, so let's get into it. You will each get the same batch of 8 questions. DC-related categories. You'll have 15 seconds to write your answer on your whiteboard or paper, whatever you have on hand. Visualize your answer and show it as we ask you to. At the end of this match, since we have 7, the top 5 will move on to round 2, and the top player will get an advantage going into round 2. If our mothers have the same name, we can't resolve our differences that way, therefore we must fight let's get into it and find out who is the one player to rule them all, DC edition. Go ahead, buddy.
All right, your first question in DC. I'm so excited to be doing this. The first one is in the category of Batman. Name the character that killed Bruce Wayne's parents in Batman Begins.
Did
See
I
a
send
couple
you the
smiles there. I think so. What?
questions for round 2?
Did I what it? Yeah, I sent you the questions for round 2.
But I mean round 1. Did I send you the reworked round 1 questions?
No, yeah, I watched the match, so I got it. We're good.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Making sure.
Yeah. Who's got the countdown?
I got it. Or Mark, do you want to?
I can do the if you want to do
Yeah,
it.
I'll do countdown. I'll do countdown. 5,
Yeah.
4.
Can you repeat it, please?
Okay, yes.
Okay, you got it.
Name
You
the
got it, and we'll do it.
Name the character that killed Bruce Wayne's parents in Batman Begins.
And for the record, Chance, you're keeping score, right? Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's start with Zaddeus.
Was it Joe Crisp? I can't remember the last name.
Oh, so close, but no, I'm
Joe.
sorry.
That would have been funny, but no, it's not Joe
Sandy,
Crisp.
what do we got?
All I had was Joe.
Ah, you guys are so close. JTH.
I said Jakar.
Oh man, you're all on the right track.
He was
But
not
no.
killed by Cologne. No.
Hunter.
I put Joe Chill.
That's
There we go.
correct. Our first
Joe
guy on the
Crisp.
board. And Haven.
I put John Clayton. I forgot.
And Woodburn.
I was waiting to see if anybody else would get it. Joe Chill.
Yeah. All right. At least we got a couple points there.
Yeah.
All right, your next.
Cain, we got Cain.
Wait, Cain.
Oh, Cain, I'm sorry.
We got
You
Cain.
know, he's not on my view screen. My bad. Cain, what did you have? I'm
Oh,
so
it's
sorry.
good. I couldn't come up with the last name.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're sorry about that. Your second question is in
Good job.
DCEU. Good job, guys. This is in DCEU. Name the prison where the Suicide Squad members are held.
You know who should have been the one to kill Batman's parents?
Martha?
Joe Crisp.
Hey, man.
I would have gone with crispy bacon.
Crispy Joe.
Can I get a repeat, please?
Yes. Name the prison where the Suicide Squad members are held.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
All right. So I don't forget him. We'll start with Cain.
I'll take a guess on this one. Is it New Orleans Penitentiary? Or no?
New Orleans. No.
No.
Yeah.
Woodburn.
I took a guess here. Is it Blackgate?
It is not.
No.
Sorry. No. Haven.
Was it Bellevue?
Very close, but no, sorry. Hey, Hunter.
I had the same thing. I put Blackgate.
Okay, no, JTH.
No, I put Black Heat.
Okay, and Sandy.
I know it's wrong. I know it's from Marvel. I put the Vault.
And
Nice.
Zaddeus. Last hope here.
Was it Bill Rev?
There we go.
It is. It's Bell Reeve.
Yeah.
Zaddeus got the point.
That's right.
Good job, buddy.
That's right.
Good job, dude.
All right. All right. Your next question is in the
Good pull.
category. Your next question's in the category that Chance came up with. It's dead parents. very fitting for DC. All right. In dead parents, this one will give you a little extra time on because you're going to need 2 answers. Name the 2 actors who played Jonathan Kent in the live-action theatrical DC films.
I pitched this
2
to you
actors
as
who played Jonathan.
So wait, whoa, any Superman movie?
In the live action theatrical Superman films, name the 2 actors that played Jonathan Kent.
Okay.
No
I pitched
Smallville
this to you
crap
as a
here.
joke.
No,
I'm happy you did it.
No Smallville.
no Smallville here.
Damn.
No, Bo Duke
Sorry.
is not correct answer.
Yeah.
Was he Bo Duke or was he Luke Duke? I can't remember which one he was.
I think he's Bo, but I don't know. I love that show when I was 5. That's about all I can
It's
tell
a good show. It's a very good show.
movie.
Oh yeah. Don't talk about the movie.
Repeat the question, please.
Yes. Name the 2 actors who played Jonathan Kent in live action theatrical films. The 2 actors.
5, 4,
Oh,
3.
can you repeat the question, please?
I've already repeated it a couple times, guys. All right. Name the 2 actors who played Jonathan Kent in live action theatrical films. Do the countdown, Chance. No more waiting.
5, 4. Jesus, Jeremy, you're a monster. 3,
Keep this
2,
rolling.
1.
All right. Zaddeus, did you come up with it?
I only got one. Kevin Costner and Wayne.
Yeah, that's pretty much figured out.
Yeah, damn it! I just freaking remembered it. It's Kevin Costner and it's Glenn Ford is the next one.
But you didn't get. I'm so sorry.
Yes.
Sometimes
We
it
didn't have
just
that
takes a minute. Takes a minute for that recall to cut in. It's a killer. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. JTH.
Kevin Costner, Glenn Ford.
Oh, good job. He's on the board.
Oh, you got it.
Good job.
There you go, buddy.
All right. Hey, Hunter.
I didn't get it.
Oh, sorry. Haven.
Kevin Costner, Glenn Ford.
Oh, good job, man. And Woodburn.
I got the Glenn Ford at the last second, but him and Kevin Costner.
Good job, man. Sometimes it takes that extra second. And Cain.
Yeah.
I couldn't come up with Glenn Ford, so I wrote everyone's favorite dead parent, Martha.
Yeah. I don't think one person pulled Glenn Ford in our testing. It saddens me. So I'm very glad some people were able to pull it. He was a great actor and a great Jonathan Kent. All right.
I love Glenn Ford. It's good to remember his name.
Yeah, exactly. All right. In the category of Superman, what does the Doomsday creature stab Superman with, mortally wounding him during the climax of BVS?
That's a joke, right? They don't kill Superman in the second movie, do they? That'd be idiotic.
As far as we know, it's Doomsday, and as far as we know, he killed him. But I don't know that any of that's true.
You know you just gave away the answer, right?
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't.
How did I give away the answer?
No, he didn't.
Huh?
I said,
Repeat the
what did
question.
he... Yeah, okay. What does the Doomsday creature stab Superman with, mortally wounding him during the climax of BVS? You scared me for a second. I thought I'd screwed up.
I'm glad that I thought that you spoiled the answer because
yeah, you got yourself.
I must not have heard you say Doomsday.
Yeah. The Doomsday creature. They never call him that, but I couldn't think of another thing to call him.
Jesse Eisenberg, Lex Luthor said it.
Did he?
Okay,
He said-
Lex Luthor called him that. He said, "This is your Doomsday."
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but since when did we listen to Lex Luthor in that movie?
Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't use
5,
the now.
4,
Gotcha.
3.
All right, starting with Cain.
Isn't it like a spike from Doomsday himself?
I will accept that. We're going to be lenient with this one.
Take it.
Yeah, Woodburn.
I fucked up.
Nothing?
I wrote Spear. I fucked up.
Haven.
I put his arm turns razor sharp like a blade, and he stabs
Yep,
like that.
we'll accept that. Hunter.
I put a kryptonite spike.
No.
That we can't quite accept. That's actually what
Can't take
Superman
that.
stabs Doomsday
Well,
with.
no, he stabbed him with a spear. The kryptonite goes in his system, and he stacks him with a spike, which is full of kryptonite.
That's not. We're not taking that.
Well,
Sorry,
the
Hunter.
spike. You didn't
It is-
specify that it was a part of Doomsday's body, which is really the only thing I was looking for. I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay.
JTH.
I got kind of specific. I said a sharp sword stalactite adapted from Wonder Woman's sword.
Oh, wow. Is that what it is? I never even knew
No.
that.
No, it's not it.
It's not it? Okay. You had me for a second.
What was the answer? What'd you say again, JTH? Let me see it again.
I said well, I've already read. I said a sharp sword spike that was adapted from Wonder Woman's sword.
It doesn't like specify that it's a bone protruding from the creature himself, which is all that I was looking for.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
JT. We can't give that to you.
All right, Sandy.
It's a bone, and the reason
Yeah.
it's bone is because Wonder Woman cut his arm off with her sword, and then he extended
Exactly. There you go.
his arm.
Yeah. Yes. There you go. A bone protrusion is how I saw it written. And Zaddeus.
One of his newly grown spikes.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a hard answer.
Yeah, it is.
I was gonna be very lenient, but I can't accept everything. I'm sorry, guys. All right. Your next
I'm pissed I had a blonde moment.
Yeah. Your next question is in the category of non-superhero DC. What spy action film based on a DC imprint comic has characters named Frank Moses and Victoria Winslow?
Oh, you didn't use the other one. I thought you were going to use the other one.
Yeah, I moved them around a little.
Yeah, okay. I like this movie a lot more than I thought I would.
It's a good movie.
Can you say the names again, or can you just
Yeah,
repeat the whole question?
Yes. What spy action film based on a DC imprint comic has characters named Frank Moses and Victoria Winslow?
Five, 4.
Can you repeat the
3.
question, please?
Okay.
All right, guys. One more. From now on, I'm not doing more than 2. Sorry, I don't mean to be a jerk. I don't want this to be an hour. Okay. What spy action film based on a DC imprint comic has characters named Frank Moses and Victoria Winslow?
Chad, start the
Let's
countdown.
get that countdown.
5, 4. You're kind of a dick, Jeremy. 3, 2,
I don't mean to be.
1.
When the
Okay,
atom goes off, the atom goes off.
I have
atomic.
my moments.
He's got
I'm
atomic.
sorry. I have my moment. All right. Cain.
Red.
That's correct.
Woodburn.
Couldn't pull it.
Haven.
David.
Red.
Ah, good job. Hunter.
I didn't get it.
JTH.
No, I had Constantine.
Ah, good
What?
guess.
That wasn't a spy
guess.
movie.
Spy thriller.
Well, not a spy thriller, yeah, but still in the right. It's a movie. It's a movie.
It's a movie.
Sandy.
Yeah, it's a great movie. Red.
You got it. Oh, great. And Zaddeus.
Red.
Good job. All right. Let's see here. We're got 3 more here. The next question is in the category of who said it. Who said it?
Martha.
What character in The Dark Knight? It was that cheating. This isn't Martha. Okay. Dark Knight said, "The night is darkest before the dawn, and I promise you, the dawn is coming."
You know who did not say it? Martha.
Yeah, but I already
Can you
gave that
repeat
one away. Yes. What character in The Dark Knight said, "The night is darkest before the dawn, and I promise you, the dawn is coming"?
I have said that before in my lifetime, and the answer is not me, unfortunately.
Ah.
What would prompt you to say this, Mark? I'm really curious.
I'm sometimes quoting random movies based on one.
Sorry,
Ready
is
to rumble.
it the character or the actor?
I can vouch for that.
The character.
Somebody's phone's buzzing.
That might be me. Sorry.
5.
Oh, come
goddamn,
on.
it's a lot.
Popular guy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
While he's catching his phone, let's go to Zaddeus.
I believe in Harvey Dent.
That's correct.
correct.
Sandy.
I screwed it. I said Alfred Pennyworth.
Oh,
Ah, good guess though. JTH.
Harvey Dent.
Good job, Hunter.
Harvey Dent.
Good job, Haven.
I put Jim Gordon.
Ah, another good guess though. Woodburn.
Harvey Dent.
Yep, and Cain.
I pulled a Sandy and said Alfred.
I would have been shocked if Woodburn missed that one.
Yeah.
I will never get a Dark Knight question wrong, ever.
I hope so. All right. Your next one is in action sequences. Action sequences. What film has a standout sequence in a place called No Man's Land? An action sequence in No Man's Land.
You gotta throw a few gimmies in there.
A couple people missed it in testing. You never know.
Did they
One
really?
person. Maybe it was just
Really?
Mark. Sorry, throwing you under the bus.
Somebody.
Somebody.
I wouldn't have missed that. I'm sorry. I
All
would
right.
not have missed that.
It must be Alex then.
Oh man.
Throwing our cohorts under the
Hey.
bus.
Yeah, he was probably distracted.
Boo,
I'll
Alex.
give him the benefit of the doubt.
Boo, Alex.
5, 4, 3, 2,
All right.
1.
Cain.
All right, starting with Cain.
Wonder Woman.
Correct. Woodburn.
Wonder Woman.
Correct. Haven.
I got that wrong. I put the dark. I put Batman: The Dark Knight Rises.
Ah. And Hunter.
I put 1989's Batman.
Ah. JTH.
Okay.
Wonder Woman.
Sandy.
Sandy.
Wonder Woman.
Correct.
And
And Zaddeus.
I got it wrong. I put Watchmen.
Ah. See, not a gimme, Chance. I told you.
I thought it was a gimme. I was
You
wrong.
never know.
I should have known that though. I love Wonder
What
Woman.
action scene was that in that in
Wonder Woman when she
She
jumps
goes
off
to
over-
No Man's Land.
Right.
It's the
In the war.
battlefield.
The battle
In
scene.
battlefield in World War One. It's the area in between the Allied and German forces.
Yeah,
that she
all
has
right.
to
No,
cross.
it's always the
Yeah.
area outside of the
Okay.
trench.
Okay. I'm
Yeah.
just trying to remember
Okay, your last question. This is for you, Sandy. This is an 80s DC. 80s DC. In Superman 3, get in a fight with at a junkyard.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Oh,
Your
you-
Team
you
80s
broke
team
up
member
there.
has a question from the 80s.
Haha.
Jeremy,
Yeah,
I
you
go
broke-
bias.
Can you repeat that?
Jeremy, you broke
I
up.
broke
there.
up. Okay.
Yeah.
In Superman 3, who does Superman get in a fight with at a junkyard? DC.
If I were the rest of these guys, I'd be playing this question under protest. Just this question there.
What? Because of what the movie is?
No, because you know it's Team 80s and you have your Team 80s team member on the team. 80s
gotcha.
Hey, I
DC.
can't help when I was born.
I see what you're doing, Jeremy.
I thought I was going to put this in the first match and you moved it or something. I don't know.
No, I didn't move. That was on me. That was
All
on me.
right. I'm okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Starting with Cain.
I don't know. Jimmy Olsen.
Woodburn.
It's evil Superman versus Clark Kent.
That's correct. Well, except that's
guess we'll take
definitely a correct answer. There's a couple different ways you can say it. Haven.
Himself, Clark Kent.
That's correct. Hunter.
That's
All right,
correct.
I said a clone of himself, an evil clone of himself.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Yeah, a clone of yeah, that works. It's like he splits in
take
half,
that.
kind of. We'll accept that. JTH.
Evil version of himself.
Correct. Sandy.
You me?
Yeah.
Yes, Sandy.
All right, so it's Clark Kent, and I've got a little bit of a beef. I might actually challenge the other answers. Dark Superman was the one who went into the thing.
Mhm.
It was Clark Kent that pulled himself, who is the good side of Superman,
Yeah.
pulled himself out and beat the crap out of him. It wasn't a darker version of himself that fought him. It wasn't a clone. It wasn't anything. It was Clark Kent came out of Superman to beat up.
The clone is pushing it a little. Any version of he fights himself, I would accept. It's him versus
Sandy,
himself.
I put Clark Kent.
Yes.
Well, let me get Zaddeus, and then we'll roll on this.
Oh, there's no need. I got it wrong. Period. Like, I put
Okay.
the police.
All right. Let's get the ruling from Chance and Mark on the challenge here.
So what's Sandy's challenge?
He's saying we should only accept Clark Kent, I think, is what Sandy is saying as the answer.
That's what I put.
John, can you repeat that question?
Yeah, repeat the phrase of the question.
Yeah, it was who does Superman get in a fight with at a junkyard?
Okay. I might be going with Sandy on this one. I do remember that. And yeah, it was specifically
He's got
Clark Kent.
The way I always read the scene was though he has a split identity, so he's fighting himself.
Yeah.
Well, but
like
that's
two
the
sides.
whole thing.
It's two sides of himself.
Superman is a double identity. He's Clark Kent and Superman. And the point is that Superman became dark, so the good had to come out and beat the dark back into pulp.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he's split in half. He's fighting himself, is how I read it. So I will accept Superman or himself as well as Clark Kent. For me, what do you think, Chance?
Okay.
You be the tiebreaker.
I think I agree with Jimmy. Any version of that he fights himself, we will take.
Yeah. What about the clone one though? That's
the clone one. Who said clone?
Yeah, maybe.
Who said clone?
I think that was Hunter.
I'm for it.
I said a clone of himself.
Yeah, that one I may go with Sandy and not take that one. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You shouldn't take Evil Superman
the other
either
ones
because
Evil Superman should not count either because he was
Okay, you know what? Hold on. Jeremy, do you have an alternate question?
Yeah,
I can just throw this out. We'll try something else.
We'll throw it out and give you an alternate question. You and I are gonna have a talk later, Sandy. All right. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go with the category of henchmen. In what film does a villain have the cohorts Kitty Kowalski and Stanford?
You broke up there, Jeremy. Could you repeat that, please?
Okay. We're doing a alternate question in the category of henchmen. In what film does the villain have the cohorts Kitty Kowalski and Stanford?
Not since Shrek have we had so much controversy about one question.
I know.
Hey,
I guess I deserve it because I'm usually the one yelling on these. So
now it's Shrek and Superman 3.
Hey, Superman 3's always been a thorn in the side. So I mean, it only figures.
It only fits.
You need the movie, right?
Yes, the movie. Kitty Kowalski and Stanford are henchmen to a villain in what movie?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, starting with Zaddeus. Zaddeus?
That's correct.
I didn't hear him. Sandy.
I think he turned his mic off.
Oh, okay.
He didn't have it. Sandy didn't have it.
Oh, okay. Sorry. JTH?
Catwoman.
Hunter?
I said Catwoman as well.
Oh, boy. Haven?
I'll put Jonah Hex.
Okay. And Woodburn?
Superman Returns.
Okay.
That's correct. And Cain?
Superman Returns.
Correct.
Okay, well this massively backfired on us. And I'll explain why when I give you the scores rundown. So, in the lead, securing their spot in round 2, we have tied with 5 points apiece. Zaddeus also securing a spot in. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I misspoke. Wait, we have a 1, 2, 3. We have a 4-way tie for second place. 3 points apiece for Sandy, JTH, Haven, and Cain. place, unfortunately, we have Hunter with only 2 points. So, Hunter, sorry, you're eliminated no matter what.
Yeah.
Let's find out. Here's your tiebreaker.
Hey guys, I gotta head out though.
Okay,
Thank you.
All right.
Good job.
Peace
Thanks.
out.
Thanks for
Thanks
playing.
for joining.
Thank you.
All right, Zaddeus. I'm going to ask you to pick box office or Rotten Tomatoes.
Hey, Chance.
Zaddeus, I think it's.
It might actually. I think
Zaddeus.
I think it might be
What?
beneficial. Real quick, if this is just a suggestion, but it might be beneficial to let either me or the other guy who's tied with me.
Zaddeus.
Maybe we could come up with.
No, Woodburn, that's not how we do things.
Yeah, it's for the lower
Okay.
scoring people. Yeah, when person
Zaddeus,
get
can you
eliminated.
speak up? Your mic's not working, buddy.
Yeah, I can't hear. So, Woodburn, I'll ask you instead. Woodburn, give me a box office or Rotten Tomatoes.
Rotten Tomatoes.
Okay. First time we had someone pick that. All right, so Sandy, JTH, Haven, and Cain. We're going to ask you to try and get as close as you can to the Rotten Tomatoes rating of a certain film. The 3 that are closest will move on to round 2. The one that is the farthest away will. So, you have Rotten Tomatoes rating, and your film is Batman 89.
Yeah.
Please write down on your whiteboard. And Zaddeus, if you think you fixed your mic and you want to speak up.
Can you hear me? No?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Go.
What'd you pick, Zaddeus? Box office or Rotten Tomatoes?
Rotten Tomatoes. Chris made the right choice.
Okay, cool. So no debating here.
Yeah. No.
All right, 5.
Just a quick question.
Yes.
Not a repeat or anything like that, but like, if you go over, or is it just who?
If you go over, it doesn't matter. As long as if you're over, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you're close.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we'll start with Cain.
84%.
Okay. Then we'll go to Haven.
89%.
JTH.
81%.
Whoa.
And Sandy.
Oh man, I went low. I guess I picked 73.
Can I give
73?
the answer? Because I know
No.
the answer. Can I
Shut
give
up,
it?
Woodburn. No, you cannot give the answer. Eliminated is, unfortunately, Haven the villain Pendergast. The official Rotten Tomatoes rating for Batman 89, surprisingly, 72%.
Wow. Sandy, good job, buddy.
Holy
Sorry, you're eliminated, but
grief!
Sandy, yeah, Sandy won off. I know, but hey, thank you for
One
playing,
off.
man.
That's amazing.
It's a joke.
Good
job,
standings, and you are welcome to
Good
stay
job.
and watch the rest of the match.
Damn Superman question. I got it right. Took it away from me.
Yeah, I remember that movie being pretty divisive amongst
I'm
people.
gonna mute my mic, guys.
When I say can I give the answer, I don't mean it towards counting towards my score. I just
No,
knew
no,
what
no.
it was.
No, I know what you meant, but still no.
We're trying to.
I'm a big Rotten Tomatoes guy.
I bet you are. But yes. Yeah, well, hey, don't blame me for that Superman question. Blame Sandy. He's the one that brought up controversy. Now we go into round 2. Round 2 we call our lottery round.
Yeah,
We
well,
will
thank
ask
you,
you
Sandy.
each to pick. We will ask you each to pick a number. If your number gets picked, you will get to pick the category for round 2. So we'll start with Zaddeus. Zaddeus, you're in the lead. So give me 2 numbers between 1 and 8.
Let's go with 2 and 7.
2 and 7?
Yeah.
All right, then we'll go to Woodburn, who's also in the lead. So 2 numbers between 1 and 8.
4 and 6.
All right, and I believe, well, everyone's tied anyway, so it doesn't matter. We'll go to Sandy next.
Okay, so 2, 7, and what?
Just two.
4 and 6 are also taken.
Yeah.
Okay, so
You
which
can
ones are
only
not
choose
taken?
1, 3, 5, or 8.
1.
Okay.
That'll be
Then
like.
we'll go to JTH.
I'll go 8.
And Cain.
3.
Three or 5, Cain?
Oh, I said 3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't hear it. All right, so that means if it lands on 5, you'll be forced to take our secret category.
5.
5.
It's 5.
Oh, come
It's
on.
a secret category?
Yes,
Oh,
your
Oh no.
Oh God.
Everyone's
All
gonna
right,
hate me now.
the secret cat. Now, be clear. Direct all your hate towards this man, Jeremy the
Yes.
Adam Adams.
Bring it
Can't
all
do
on
it.
me.
Can't do
I'm the bad guy.
I
My
can't.
love-
category
Sorry about this, guys.
is scores and soundtracks.
I love the hate. Bring it on me.
And cue the size.
Jeremy.
All right. So 4 questions, scores and soundtracks. Here we go. Name the song by U2 that appears in Batman Forever.
The U2 song from Batman Forever.
Oh, good song. Good
I
song.
was 15 when this movie came out, and that song meant a lot to me. Always been a fan of U2. You like this song, Chance?
U2's great.
You like this song, Chance?
I like U2. U2's one of my favorite
I
bands.
need extra time.
I was 7 when this song came out.
What?
Yeah, I'm old. I know.
When
We need a
Batman-
repeat?
Yes, you are. Repeat.
Yeah.
I'll give you one more repeat, guys. Okay.
Mm.
Oh no, that's for Chance. Sorry.
Name the song by U2 that appears in Batman Forever.
Unfortunately, this is one of the easier questions in this round. I apologize deeply.
Yeah, it is. Way to go, Jeremy. Jerk. 5, 4,
2 points.
3, 2, 1. All right, we'll start with Cain.
I wrote, did you say YouTube?
U2. The band U2. There was no YouTube when Batman Forever came out.
Woodburn.
No idea.
All right, fair enough. JTH.
I at least came up with one. I at least said Beautiful Day, but that's way too late.
No.
Like,
Yeah, that's incorrect.
It's actually
Sandy.
early. That was actually 91.
My turn.
Oh, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sandy.
All right, it's Kiss Me,
No.
Kill Me, Thrill Me, something. There's another one in there.
I don't think we can
Close.
accept it. I'm so
No, we
sorry.
can't. And Zaddeus.
And it was 2000. Beautiful day. I'm sorry.
The correct answer is Hold Me, Thrill Me, Kiss Me, Kill Me.
Sandy,
If
you're
you
so close. I want to give you the point.
If you would have asked Shield,
So
I
close,
knew
but-
that question. If you would have asked
Yeah.
Shield.
We can't give that to you.
I think everyone knows the Seal one.
Everyone knows the Seal song.
What
All
about
right, question.
I love that.
Well, I'm sorry, guys. It does not get easier from here.
Great.
No, it
Question
doesn't.
2.
No, it doesn't.
What composer took over for John Williams on Superman 2?
This is probably one of the movies I watched the most as a kid. Probably no less than 100
Oh, yeah.
or 200 times. So every name in the credits is burned into my mind, just because I watched it so many times.
Well, I'm not surprised.
So I apologize, guy. I apologize.
It's here, right there. I just need. Can I get a repeat?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What composer took over for John Williams on Superman 2? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'll start with Zaddeus.
I'm going to chalk this up to L. Hans Zimmer. I had no idea.
That's
idea.
incorrect. Sandy.
I said Jerry Goldsmith, but I don't think it's right.
No.
No, good guess, but
Good,
no.
Great guess. Great guess.
JTH.
I said the same thing.
Good guess.
C-Dub.
Chris.
No idea.
That figures. And Cain.
James Newton Howard.
No. Also not a bad guess. The answer is Ken Thorne.
Yeah. Ken Thorne. I give you
read the tip of
guys
my tongue.
props. I give you guys props for getting close, though.
Yeah, you are.
You
You had the right era. You had the right era.
Spiritual points. Spiritual non-counting points there.
All right, question 3. What popular female singer performs "To Be Human" in Wonder Woman?
The end credit song in Wonder Woman.
I got out of the theater as soon as that movie.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. What female singer performs "To Be Human" in Wonder Woman?
Popular female singer. So if you don't know it, you can guess.
Popular.
Somebody who's
I didn't say
popular
that.
now.
That's right. Popular female
Someone
singer.
who's popular now, and you might have a shot at it.
Britney Spears.
I don't think that's a helpful hint, Jeremy.
Why?
There's a billion
It's
of them.
huge. That's true. There are a lot. Sorry.
There's a billion popular female singers right now.
All right. I was trying to help. I guess I didn't help. Sorry.
I know. Sinead O'Connor.
Sinead O'Connor.
Oh my God, that would have been amazing. 5, 4.
That's
3,
right. You did say that.
2, 1. Cain.
Sia.
Yes, he got it. Somebody got it. I can't believe
Woodburn.
it.
Oh, boo.
Chris.
Woodburn.
No idea.
What else? JTH.
I said Celine Dion.
Popular.
Hey, she's evergreen. She'll always be popular, right? She's for the ages.
Girl there.
Titanic. All right, and Sandy.
Oh.
Sia. I just
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
I just
Sandy,
guessed it.
Makuga.
I just
You are my Makuga team partner forever.
And Zaddeus.
Yeah, I was wrong. I put pink.
Good guess.
That would have been interesting.
Yeah.
I almost
All
put
right.
What was the answer again?
Sia.
Sia.
Yeah.
All right.
Who the hell was that?
Long
Someone
band.
who doesn't like it.
I'll be doing that shortly.
She did Chandelier. You know the song Chandelier?
No.
No.
Don't start singing. Let's keep going.
You know
All right,
the
this is an easier one.
Attention, but doesn't want it.
This is an easier one. Who was listed as the co-composer of BVS with Hans Zimmer?
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Threw you a little softer one there.
Chance, don't forget, these are worth 2 points. You know that, right? Remember that?
They're not.
Only
They're
worth
not.
one, Mark.
It's secret
They're
category.
only worth two.
They're only
if
worth
somebody chooses it.
2 if you pick it. If you willingly pick it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. I did not know that.
You'll get the rules one of these days, Mark. I'm just giving you credit.
One of these days, we'll grade them into Canadian brand.
Can I get a repeat, please?
Repeat.
Yeah, sure. Who was listed as the co-composer of Batman vs Superman with Hans Zimmer?
By the way, I screwed it up one of my hosting times too, so it's an easy rule to forget.
Yeah, it is. Well, and you know, I threw it in last minute on our first match anyway, so that's partially my fault.
It's a good rule though. I like it.
It is.
You know, because if somebody were to get 2 of these and they'd pick it, they would get double points and everyone else would get 0. So
5,
it's a cool rule.
4,
But you got to be brave.
3, 2, 1. Start with Zaddeus.
Pretty sure this is wrong, but I put John Williams.
No, that is incorrect. Sandy.
Junkie XL.
That's correct.
Correct.
JTH. JTH.
Alan Silvestri and see ya.
See ya.
See ya. Woodburn.
Real nice.
Junkie XL.
Nice. Cain.
Junkie XL.
Oh, that makes things very interesting.
Oh, no.
All right, so after round 2, our scores go as follows. Woodburn, with 6 points, has already secured a spot in round 3. However, tied for second place with 5 points apiece, Zaddeus, Sandy, and Cain.
Wait, I
Oh,
should have
man.
6.
But does
Wait,
Cain
what?
have 6?
Yeah, I
Cain
had
got
4 in
2
round
in-
1, and then
in
I had
the-
Sia
yeah.
and Junkie XL.
Yeah, he got Sia.
Oh, we got Sia? Okay. Well, then never mind. Well, we still need a tiebreaker
Okay.
anyway between
S.
So since we already did Rotten Tomatoes, we're gonna do
Rotten
box office
Tomatoes.
this time.
Wait,
And you know what? Let's stick with it.
Sandy
Let's
have
go.
6
Let's
too?
stick with what? Zaddeus?
'Cause Sandy had Junkie XL and Sia as well.
Yeah.
Sandy had 3 in the last round.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. No, I bit it.
No, he had 2. He had 2. Sorry.
Sandy?
In round
Yeah,
2, Sandy got 2. Right?
Sandy had 3. Sandy had 3 in round 1 and 2 in round 2. So that gives him 5.
Oh.
And he ties with Zaddeus
Perfect. All right, perfect.
in this round.
All right.
All right, so since we already did Rotten Tomatoes, so Zaddeus and Sandy, I ask you to guesstimate the international box office of Batman '89.
Adjusted or what it actually was?
Wait, what?
Whoever gets closer.
Whoever
Whoever
gets
gets closer.
Adjusted or
No, not adjusted.
No. The box office from the time. The actual, yeah. Not adjusted for inflation.
All right, gonna give you a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go to Sandy first.
That's at 78.7 million.
Woodburn? Not Woodburn.
Zaddeus.
I put 92.5 million.
Okay. The reported gross on Box Office Mojo is 411 million. So
Yeah, I made a lot of
technically-
money, guys.
Technically, Zaddeus is closer. So Zaddeus moves on.
So sorry, Sandy. So sorry. You did great, buddy. Great job.
Dude, I'm so happy. The great questions. I'm really happy. I thought I mistook the question for what did it make in its opening weekend.
Oh yeah, that's happened before.
That's a common mistake.
Yeah,
I found that's a
happened
common mistake.
before.
It has.
I didn't know it made 400 million. I thought it made like 200 and something.
Yeah.
Well, it made 250 in the U.S. Worldwide. It made 400 million.
Worldwide, yes. Okay.
Nope. Good.
Yeah.
All right. So we have our round 3, which is Woodburn and Cain. So these scores right here, God, they don't matter. Round 3 is shoot till you miss. Questions, you're out until we have one player left standing. Everyone misses, we keep going. You're ready? Jeremy,
All right.
hit him with that round
The
3.
pressure's on, guys.
Right.
Your first question in sudden death is in the category of the Dark Knight trilogy. What is the name of the scientist who is kidnapped by Bane in the opening of The Dark Knight Rises?
Nice.
I guessed incorrectly. It's actually not Dr. Nexnappus.
Yeah. Here, Doctor, it would be very painful for you.
Now we don't talk about fear, though. That's coming later. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so Zaddeus.
Was it Dr. Pavlov?
Oh, you're so close.
Man. I can't accept that. Oh, it hurts.
No, we can't. Let's see if anybody else got it.
Oh my God, Woodburn.
Dr. Pavel.
Yeah,
That's it. That's it. And Cain.
I
Cain,
predicted the
are we still
future.
going?
I said Edward Nigma, and then I said congrats.
Nice.
And
Oh,
your
he predicted
winner,
it.
Nice.
Speed up himself, Chris Woodburn. Now, Chris,
Yeah.
I do have something to ask you. Real quick. So I don't know if you've seen it or not, but Alex posted a video challenging the winners of today's 2 match to a triple threat DC call-out. Brian Fernandez from the earlier match has already agreed. So what say you?
Chance, seriously? Come on. What do you think the answer to that? I haven't, unfortunately. I didn't see that video, but come on. I will fucking do DC movie trivia all day, every day. Come on.
All right.
I live for the fucking DC movies.
And you got to try to be the champion now. You got to beat those other 2
All right,
guys.
well.
Oh, I'm gonna be the champion. That goes without saying. I'm sorry. Much respect to all you competitors. Y'all played great. I'm a fucking DC nut.
All right. Well, we have our results for this match, and we have our triple threat set. Jeremy, you excited? You excited about all this?
I'm excited. I'm gonna have to write even harder questions now.
Oh yeah, totally. Mark, any word before we close out?
No, I've got no words. Congratulations to all our fighters tonight. And congratulations to Chris on winning. Look forward to the triple threat. And that's all I've got to say.
All right, well, that closes out for today. Metalheads, we have a bunch coming at you this week. DC week is in full swing. We got the triple threats. We got Full Metal Call-Out debuting this week. And some other surprises that you won't want to miss. From me, from all my admin crew, we just want to say thank you for joining us. This is Chance the Titan Ellison. Goodbye.
Yeah!